Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I've had a bunch of other little projects going on, and just things, life. So yeah, been kind of organizing a little bit in here. My cousin's gonna drop off a project for me to do. That way I can maneuver around in here a little bit. But this is vintage day. What do I mean by that? Yeah, trying to get a little more organized because he's bringing over his unit. Meat saw, old Wisconsin. Vintage day. This is what I primarily cut wood with for a long time. A blue Homelite Easy. Now I've got quite a few different Homelites. This one I bought off Craigslist for $50. No, that's another one. That one's got a different, bigger carburetor on it. It ran like a scalded dog until it did not. But maybe I'll get back to that one day. And then I've got a red. I got two blue Easies. I got one red. This was my grandpa's saw. That is a oil cap off of a TRX 125 Honda, because the original one disintegrated. And this was took it apart because it had either the oil tank's got mag rot or it's got a bad line or something, crack in it. Not sure. But the past couple days, I've been trying to get this one ready to go. I don't mind cutting with it. It's got a short stack, so she's loud. It's got a 16-inch bar and chain on it. I just sharpened them. And that's what I primarily cut wood with. Either that or the red one. That's been apart for, I don't know. I've had that ounce of red for 10 years. And then I got that C52 up there with that 24 inch bar, something like that. That has, the fuel tank on that has mag rot. But I think I got away from these because I've run this a little bit. I'm trying to get her tuned back in, because my shoulder hurt from pulling on it for a while. Like trying to get fuel back through, and then the carburetor, diaphragms and diaphragming. But she runs pretty decent now. I mean, she always did. So I thought I'd take her out and, where I've been bush hogging at, I've been running around with a yard cart on the back of the quad and just cutting it up there and going on about my day, Do a couple yard carts a day because it's either shit I've hit with the bush hog or had to bush hog around, and that's not ideal. And if this rain holds off, which it may be or may not be, I don't know what it's doing right now. It's probably going to downpour. Oh. And it's starting to rain. So I guess I'm not going to go cut. Well, damn. So, I guess I'll pick this up tomorrow. Thought I could beat the rain. Yeah, I don't think if it rains long, I don't think it'll rain very long. Looks pretty northish. Yeah, I guess I'll conclude this another day. It's run pretty good off the initial hit. Longer I ran it, the more it bobbed. Right before I went, I turned the high screw up, opened it up half a turn, so I'm gonna close that back down. And just the chain, gas and oil. But I got something else I want to do with this saw before I put it away, back away.